Hey everyone, Dan here at the Gelcoat Training Center, and today I want to talk to you boat and RV guys, because I know you guys have noticed that as you use your unit, they kind of get a little less glossy as age goes by. And this product, the Optimum RV and Marine Polish, is designed to bring that new look back. What's really nice about this product is it's specifically designed for gel coats. And because of that, it's designed to really cut down the medium light oxidation off of the surface and give you a beautiful finish in a one step. So one of the nice things about this is it's actually a sprayable polish. That makes it nice and easy because you can prime your pad, whether it's foam or wool, with just a couple sprays so you can get right to work. All right, thanks guys. This is Dan at Optimum Polymer Technology. You guys have a great day, and I will see you guys on the next video.